How to delete your AirHelp account. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can delete your AirHelp account. So if you are in this position, just watch this video to the end so that you can learn how to do so. The first step is to log in into your AirHelp account just like I've done here. And then once you're in the AirHelp page, move to the right side of the screen, the top right corner of the screen, where you can see your profile icon. By clicking on it, you see options like My Accounts, Details, Plans and Benefits, Notifications, Logout. You would not see the option for you to delete your account. This is because for you to delete your account yourself on Help, you would have to reach out to the customer support. That's how it has to be. And how do you do so? On the AirHelp page, you can see two means of getting support. You can see check FAQs and then you can see chat with us. So click on the chat with us option. And once you've done that, a chat box will be displayed just by the right side of the screen. Once this chat box is displayed, the next step would be for you to type out your question, to type out your message, which is I want to delete my account. So you can just go ahead and type I want to delete my account and click enter. And once you've done that, the digital assistant will respond to you and begin to provide information on how you can delete your account. So if you want to minimize your account data, you can do that, but if not, click on no and then follow the procedures and then eventually be able to delete your account easily. So this is how it works. Okay, this is how you can delete your account on Help. Thank you for watching everyone, and I'm sure you like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family that might need it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.